Get award-winning Facebook advertising from Digital Marketing All. Here is a testimonial from one of our customers. Ads on mobile phones, digital advertising. I always knew it was a big potential there, but to be honest, I didn't have a clue on how to get started. Everybody's talking about clicks, impressions, but what we really want is to have real people coming into the shop. My name is Katarina. I'm the founder of Simi, a fair trade certified brand. All our jewelry is handmade by women victims of violence based in the Middle East. Our final goal is very simple. We just want to replace violence with love. We've done a lot of things to promote our store and to get new customers. What we really want in reality is for people to live nearby, and that they are able to see our ads and walk into our store. With Facebook ads at a fixed price, we could pick up who and where we want to reach. We have chosen women aged between 25 and 45 who live or work within 2 kilometers of a store. In 2 weeks, our Facebook ads helped us to get over 20,000 potential customers to see our ads and the right number of times. Just enough to make an impact and motivate them to walk into our store, just like they're guaranteed. We started to see more people coming into the store almost right after we started the Facebook ad campaign. Some people came because they were nearby, and they were curious about our fair luxury concept, but most people learned about the story, fell in love with the mission, and bought something. And the best thing is I had full control of how we spent the money and a guarantee on how many people would see our ads. In the process, I've learned something about clicks and impressions, of course, but what I really care about is that we got real customers and real results with Facebook ads. Thank you, Digital Marketing All, for amazing results from our ads.